Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. The following question was asked in GATE DA 2024 for 2 mark. The question is very easy, only we need to apply the 3D visualization technique, right? So three different views of dice are given here, and the piece of paper we need to fold so that we can make this dice, right? So four options are given. Now it is just point of view that how you can visualize this. So I am visualizing it on this from this direction, right? So if I am visualizing it from this direction, you can see one is there, and on its left side 4 is there, and on the upper side 5, right? And here on the 5, the left side is 6. So it means that this 5 will have 6 on the left side of it. If I'm going to put it like down here, if I'm going to just slide it like that, then 6 will be just 6 will be just in the corner of us. 6 should be just at the side of just in the back part of 1, right? And the adjacent of 1, that is the back part of 4, what it should be, one more adjacent of 5. So what is one more adjacent, we need to calculate. So you can see that in the 6 is having where 6 is there in the back part of 1, and 6 is further having two adjacent, which is clearly seen here, 4 and 3. So obviously 4 is this side. So obviously if 6 is having 4 here and 6 is placed here, then 3 will be placed on that back, that is on the back part of 4, it would be 3, correct? And here it is 6. So we got that 5 is having 4 adjacent, that is 1 and 3 and 6 and 4, but it should be the view where we are seeing it, right? So if I'm going to put it like that, 5, if I'm going to just slide it like that, it would be like that, and thereafter this 4 will be folded like that, and then 6 will be folded, and then 2 will be on this side, and third will cover from the back end, right? So this can be one of the possibility. B 514 I can see. So as of now I can hold it. 513 I can ignore it. Why? Because if I am going to fold it in this way, then 5 will be there, right? So this 3 will be on the right side of 3, on the right side of 5, but it is not possible, because you know that on the right side of 5, if I am going to slide it down, it should be 4, it should be 4, but it is 3. So it is not possible, and currently 514 I can hold it. So as of now, this part I am holding here, and in option B also this part I am holding here, and in this option also I am holding here. After that, you can see that after that, if you will see, then there is a combination that I need to learn, and the combination is like that. This 4 is there, and on the 4, okay, if we consider this 5 itself, then on this particular 5, 1 is done, 4 is done, right? So on that particular end, on the back side of this one, what should be there on the back side of the 1? It should be 6. So here it is possible. This 6, if I'm going to fold it, so 4 will go there and 6 will be on the back end of 1, which is possible here, because 6 is on the back side of 1, which is possible here. Is it possible here? No. 6 is not going to be on the back end of 1, which is not possible here. And here, yes, 6 will be on the back end of 1. It is possible as of now. So currently A and D is remaining. Now you see 4 and 3 should also opposite. So if you will fold it like that, 4 and 3. So 4 will be there. So 3 would be there, right? Okay, that is okay. And here, if you will see, then 4 and 3. So 4 will be there. And after that, okay, 3 will cover it from the side part. So 4 and 3 will be going to be back on the opposite of each other on A only. Because here, if you are going to try, then 3 will be just come down on this part. 3 will be just on the vertical part of 4. It is not going to be on opposite, because we need one more distance, then I can say like that, right? So the thing is that D is also incorrect. So only option A is correct for question number 9. You only need to apply the 3D thinking ability and you can easily answer it.